Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to share a quick haul with you. This has literally just come through the door and I wanted to open all these up on camera with you guys because I haven't looked at any of these yet. You guys know how much I love the Paper Boutique and the Paper Tree. They're virtually the same company and they do really beautiful paper kits. You've seen quite a few here on my channel. Recently we made that mini album using the Winter Gnomes set, and I was just having a little look online and I actually went onto the website who actually make these paper kits. So I'll leave a link in the description box down below. So it's called Creative Crafting World and they have some fantastic deals. If you like the Paper Boutique paper kits or you want to have a look at getting some paper kits, they have some absolutely amazing deals on there. They have new ones coming out. I did have an email yesterday and it was a cactus themed one, which I really liked, but I knew that I'd already kind of ordered these ones and I'm trying to get through my stashes of papers and things before I should be buying anything else. But they've got, so just, you know, new kits coming out all the time, but they do have stuff that's on sale. They have some Christmas things. I've got 2 Christmassy ones in here. But yeah, just go and have a look. So they do the papers, they do embellishment pads, they do the inserts, and then some of them do the coloured cardstock that matches. So go over and have a look at them. There's loads on there that I wanted to buy. But I really kind of restricted myself, to be honest. Like I said, I really need to start bringing the amount of papers and things that I have down before I start buying anything new. So I'll leave a link in the description box down below for you. Also, if you sign up, your first order, you get 10% off. Sign up for that and get 10% off your first order. So this here, this all cost me just over £45. I saved £5 from the coupon that I used, and also I added at the end, it said, did you want to add in a lucky dip, which was worth £20 and it was only £3.99. So we've got that just here, so we're gonna have a look what we've got included there. So yeah, let me show you what I bought. So let's start with the lucky dip. So enjoy your lucky dip there, love that. So like I said, this was worth £20, but it was £4. And I really didn't know what was going to come in it, so I thought, why not just try it, see what it is, and then I could tell you guys to see whether it was something that you wanted to add to your basket. So we're gonna have a little bit of rustling, I'm sorry, with the packaging. So it looks like you are just getting 2 items. Unfortunately, they don't match, which is a little bit of a shame, but you know, not a problem at all. And if it was something that you really liked, you could then go and buy the rest of the kit from their website. So the first one we've got is Evening Blooms, and this is the embellishment pad. So we've got our really lovely sentiments in there, and then just all of these really lovely sort of blooms and things. Really nice colour palette in there as well. So obviously it does repeat. So you've got 36 sheets and then 6 designs. But yeah, you've got like smaller pieces, you've got longer pieces, you've got your strips, yeah, your sentiments. So absolutely beautiful. I really like that. That's lovely. And then this one is the Morning Whispers, and this is the inserts collection. So there's 40 sheets in here, 10 designs. So that's a lot of papers, and these, the quality of these as well. So this is 120 GSM. So you could actually use these as your card fronts. You just cut them down. So these are A4 in size. They're designed to go inside your cards if you want to make them more special, but yeah, you can absolutely just put these on the inside of your cards. Not a problem at all. That is absolutely stunning. I love that. Love the colours in that. Absolutely beautiful. But yeah, the quality of these papers are really nice. These, you've got space there to like write a message or put a topper in there if you wanted to. Got them across the bottom. But yeah, we have those kind of roses, and then we do have sort of the different birds and things. The spotted, that's very nice as well. So again, you could put something in the centre there. Yeah, and I think that's repeating them. So these are absolutely beautiful. And again, the quality of them is a really good paper. Considering it's 120 GSM, it's really smooth. Yeah, it's just absolutely beautiful. So that's the lucky dip. So yeah, a little annoying, I guess, if you want to say that they don't match, but they don't have to match. You could find then a kit that you actually really love and you could buy the extra pieces for it. But it just goes to show as well that you could literally just have one element from the kit and use that and create some really great cards. So I'm absolutely going to use this. I'm interested to see how many cards we can create using this inserts collection, because you do find that the inserts tend to be the one item that is kind of left over. I'm not sure that how many people put inserts in their cards, so it's not something I think that sells out quite as much. But yeah, you can absolutely create cards with these, not a problem at all. So the next few items that I purchased, this is the Christmas buddies. Now the reason I picked these up was because I already had the decorative papers. So this is actually called Christmas Critters, and then it's obviously just been renamed Christmas Buddies, but you know, all the imagery and everything is literally exactly the same. So I already had this. I bought this a long time ago, reduced, and I never really used it, even though you've got the papers in here, and then you do have a couple of toppers as well. For whatever reason, I just never really got round to using it, but then I seen that the rest of the items were reduced. So let me just take a look at the prices here. So this is the embellishment pad. So again, in here you've got your sentiments. I absolutely love the colours, like that orange and that in there. That's such a good alternative to Christmas colours, and I love the font as well. But you've got your toppers, you've got your strips there, 2 pages of sentiments. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. So this one here, the embellishment pad, this was £3.33. How could you not pick it up? Considering I already had this, like I said, I wanted to then kind of use this up. So for the sake of less than £10, I think, or just over £10, you know, to get this whole collection, I thought was brilliant. Then we've got the inserts collection. So the inserts again were £3.33. And you can see then the designs, hopefully you can see the designs on the back there. So again, you can trim all of these down, but some of these are just going to make really lovely card fronts as well. So I'm super excited about that. And then the other thing they do, as I said, is a coloured card collection that matches completely with the colours that you've got in the pads. And this then was £4.33, 24 sheets in there. This is 200 GSM, whereas the other ones are a thinner cardstock, but still just a really great collection, and it is so cute as well. Just with the little elephants and the rabbits things. Yeah, I just think it's so cute. So I picked up that one to finish this collection, and then we can use this definitely to make some Christmas cards. So then I picked up this Christmas kit. So these are the perfect partners. So it's slightly different to the kits. There's only 3 items in each of them, and they're all 8x8, so you don't have any of the A4 sheets in here. So we have the perfect medley of decorative papers, and you've got some sentiments in there. We're going to open these up and take a look. You got the perfect solids, so you have 36 solid papers in there, again 8x8. And then you have the perfect embellishments in there, so that's your embellishment pad, 36 sheets in there. So for all 3 of these items, it was £17.89, which is reduced. That was at a reduced price as well. But again, I just thought, how cute are these? So this one is Christmas Cuties. I don't know if I said the name of this one, but let's get this open. So it's an actual pad that is like glued together, but yeah, it's sort of like this little rabbit and the little bear there. I just thought was seriously cute. We've got the polar bear on there as well. We have the deer. I just love this. I love the colours of it. I love that kind of cartoony, cutesy look. I really like that paper. That's really nice. Then we have a couple of toppers. Look how adorable these are going to be. Like, maybe if you've got kids and you do send Christmas cards to this, you know, to their classes and things, these kind of cutesy images are going to be absolutely perfect. You can just cut these into quarters, and then you've got that topper there already. Or you could literally fussy cut around your animals if you wanted to, if you didn't want the whole of that square. Tons of sentiments on here. I love that you got the 2 kind of variations of colours for each, and then just a really simple font. I absolutely love that. So that is all of the pages, and then they are just repeated. So beautiful. Yeah, I absolutely love these. Then we got the papers. We don't need to get these ones out because obviously we can see the colours on here. But yeah, they just match so perfectly in with the papers. And this is the perfect embellishments. So you don't necessarily need to get the perfect embellishments. You could literally just use what comes in the perfect medley, because you do have a few of those toppers in there. But this is just going to give you even more. So you've got your big sentiments there, which is a really classic kind of sentiments for the paper boutique. And then you do have your relations down there as well. So again, toppers, look at that with the lights. I just think they are so adorable. We've got our strips there, and again, both go in each way, so you can use them portrait and landscape as well. So again, you know, all of these, like I said, you can trim these out. If you didn't want to use it as a strip like that, you could literally just cut these squares out and use it that way. But yeah, I just love the imagery. I think they're so cute. These I absolutely love that one there with those wreaths. Again, perfect for just putting on a card. Simple matte and layering, put it on a card, job done. Absolutely beautiful. Again, then with our sentiments, and then it might take us, yeah, back to the start again. Absolutely. Just love it. I think it's so cute. I cannot oversell how cute I think this is. And then for the last one, so this is the same price again, £17.98, and this one I just couldn't resist. It's Party Time. Exact same again, you got the three, you got the perfect embellishment, solids and medley. I loved the colour palette and just the fact that they were dogs and they looked super cute. So let's start with the embellishments. I absolutely love this. These are to die for. They are so cute. Pugs and kisses, woof, it's time to celebrate, happy. And then like the dog's got like hats and things on. Again, you have your strips. So this is a little look at what the papers are going to be. Maybe we should have looked at those first. And again, look at all these different dogs. And I love how they're quite unusual. So the colours, the patterns they've got on, there's nothing, I want to say realistic about it. But yeah, I just love how different these are. Look at those. They are just the cutest. Again, you could trim these out if you wanted to. Add just a really simple sentiment on there and you've literally got your card like ready to go. Again, I love the fonts, the colours in here. And then so they always do two different sort of colourways as well. So you've got sort of different ones to choose from, but it's all within, you know, the papers anyway. I'm absolutely in love with this one. And then this is the perfect medley. So these are the papers. So you've got all the dog faces here with the hats. Absolutely love this. It's got the little sticks on there as well, little grass. Again, just so fun. That's really nice as well. So you've got the little waves and you've got the hearts with the dog prints. A real simple spotted. I think that's brilliant. And then again, more toppers. I woof you. Hello, party time. Party time. Joy. So, you know, maybe you know a person who's got a dog like this and, you know, they're going to be perfect for them. Again, our sentiments. So, you know, we have a whole variation in here. So thank you, congratulations, get well soon, thinking of you, best wishes, happy retirement, with love, happy anniversary, someone special just for you, birthday wishes, happy birthday, good luck, with sympathy, sending big hugs, and on your special day. Absolutely brilliant. I love it. Absolutely love it. So what you could do is if you were to sell these in like a little set, so you could have like a set which have all the occasions in it. So like the different ones you could do, literally get well soon, thinking of you. You could do with sympathy and like sending big hugs. So you could do more of like a sympathy kind of pack. You could do on your special day, obviously the happy birthdays, on your special day just for you, someone special, with love. Then you've got best wishes. Do you know what I mean? Like you could just, you know, you could do them in a set like that and it would just work really well. Absolutely love these. So that is the Party Time. And again, it's £17.98 for those. So the 3 packs, like I said, with the discount and then with that lucky dip as well, £45.85. I don't think you can go wrong with those kind of prices. So definitely have a look in the description box down below. Head over to Creative Crafting World. They do have a few like Disney card packs on there as well. Like I'm pretty sure they're licensed Disney packs. So check those out. They do have like dies and other items on their website as well. But yeah, definitely go and have a look at some of the prices for some of these kits, because I think you're going to be blown away, to be honest. So that was just a quick look at this delivery. I think next week, in one of next week's video, I'm definitely going to use one of these and just create a whole bunch of cards, I think. definitely sort of get stuck into it. Maybe I might do one of the Christmas ones, possibly. I'm not sure yet, but definitely look out for that video. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos, or a video using one of these sets, or all of the sets really, of these paper pads. I'm super excited to use them. So definitely check that out. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, because it does help to support my channel, gets my content pushed out a little bit more, which helps let me grow, which means that I can continue to buy lots of new things and create videos for you guys. So it really does help to support my channel. And on screen now, I will leave a link to one of the other Paper Boutique videos that I've created here on my channel, so you can go and check those out, and I'll see you in the next one.